Let's take a look at a few tips for properly installing brake pads, starting with the most obvious one, proper pad selection. Putting on a friction compound most suitable to the customer's driving style is the foundation for preventing a comeback. When a brake pad is operated outside of the temperature range it was designed for, friction material transfer can become uncontrollable, depositing too much material on the rotor surface and creating brake judder. Centric understands this and uses application-specific brake friction formulations to suit every type of driving, from normal commuting to high-performance street and track cars to high-heat repeat-stop fleet and pursuit vehicles. So whenever possible, talk to the customer and find out what type of driving they do and suggest the most appropriate pad. When installing new pads, be sure to keep them clean. Even the slightest amount of oil, brake grease, or other contaminants on the friction or rotor surface can cause problems bedding in new pads. Always replace hardware if provided with the pad kit. This is commonly overlooked, but worn, dirty, or rusty hardware doesn't do new pads or rotors any good. Make sure you properly install shims if provided. All Centric brake pads come with shims already installed. And replace worn caliper pin boots. Be sure to clean and lube the pins while you're at it. Finally, be sure to perform a proper bed-in for the pads you're installing. This is especially important when installing high-performance or high-heat friction material, as it allows the brake system to take full advantage of the pad's performance and helps prevent brake judder. Bed in the pad with a moderately aggressive road test, followed by a mile or two of easy driving to allow the pads and rotors to cool down. Don't come to a full stop until everything has cooled down, or you risk creating pad imprints that will surely cause problems down the road. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out Centric's complete library of video topics, including rotor installation tips. From lab to lift, Centric Parts delivered.